The plastic voice that doesn't abandon us.
Do you feel the shock? It's an electric shiver. The dogma of the century. With a veil of white that tightens your neck. And naked to the
corner, the crying, hide the collapse. With a veil of white that tightens your neck.
beneath the dust of the never-moved stones. Between the tire tracks and the ring of gold. A signal travels along the route. A short frequency. The noise of white and tan. The frequency that must have fled. Promises of mirrors. Steel and glass. While the future walks backwards.
Lords of white and tan, the blind spot that makes us tired. Hear the hum of the truth that is silent in this war, disguised as
In the background, distorted sound mode voices can be heard. Similar to 70s news broadcast mixed with today's. In that living room where the smoke stagnates.